So I've been using Vivo Z1 Pro for almost a month. In today's video, I'm gonna share my thoughts about it. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. So let's start with the design. So this phone has got a plastic bag. Though it's made out of plastic, they managed to get this glass back look to it. That said, this phone is quite slippery, so having a case on is the best way to go. So when the light hits on it, it is quite attractive. For a budget phone, they did a really good job when it comes to the build. Moving on to the display, so it's got a 6.5-inch LCD panel, which is quite good. It's got a good colors, the viewing angles are good. It's quite bright that you can use it even at outdoor conditions. So this display has not got any bezels, so they had to introduce this punch hole selfie camera, and the fingerprint scanner is found at the rear. So this phone has got the headphone jack. So the good display and this headphone jack make this phone a really good media consumption device. So this device has got a triple camera setup, the primary camera being 16 megapixel f1.7. The photos which come out of this are really good. They are sharp, they've got details, the colors are good, it's got a good dynamic range. For a budget phone, it does a really good job. When it comes to night mode, though it suffers, you have got a dedicated night mode which gives you better results. The second lens being a wide angle camera which is 8 megapixel, though it doesn't capture detail like the primary one, it's good to have. The last one being the depth camera, which helps you for the portrait mode. So it's got a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is quite good. Especially the portrait mode found in this selfie camera is quite good. Now let's talk about the performance. So this phone has got the Snapdragon 712 chipset. So over here I have got the 4GB RAM and the 64GB internal storage variant. You have got two other variants to choose. The overall performance found in this device is really good. It's quite snappy and responsive. The app opening time is really good. Even when it comes to gaming, this phone does a really good job. The overall performance and the gaming experience found in this device is really good. Especially for the price, it does a really good job. So for the software side, it is running on an OS called FunTouch OS based on Android Pie. So the OS in general is quite fast and snappy. So now let's talk about the battery life. Here's where the phone shines. You got a 5000 amp battery. So if you're a light user, you can easily get almost 2 days of usage. And if you're a heavy user, you can easily get through a day. To top this up, you've got an 18-watt fast charger. But the one con is you've got a micro USB type and not a type C port. So this brings us to the end of the video. So is this phone worth buying? And my answer to it is yes. For this price, you're getting a really good performance, decent camera, amazing battery life. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe and tap on the bell mark. Until then, it's me, Bharat, signing off. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, peace out.